Alright guys, if you'll notice the driveway's empty because there's no more Integra. I bought a Civic. No, I'm just kidding. This is Scott's Civic. As y'all know, it's no longer D series. It's actually B series, B18. Not a lot's changed. You can go ahead, walk us through it. Turbo?
Stock bottom end, stock head, ARP head, ARP studs. CX Racing Turbo Smart Wastegate. It's on 15 PSI right now, but it's creeping up to 16 or something. Yeah, I forgot the filter.
It's billet turbo, so it's got the billet.
Oh yeah, dual ball bearing.
Dual ball bearing.
Yeah, it's on. Everything's pretty stock. It sounds so much better with this. I don't know what.
Does this turbo sound better?
I don't know if it's with the full exhaust.
Well, you don't have the leaks no more because the V-band's actually sealing it.
Oh my gosh, yeah. You can go look at that. That's what Nick and Sebastian did. It looks so good.
Oddball factor, welding.
Yeah, Nick actually welded nub on it, like he always does.
So, stock block from oil pan all the way up to valve cover.
Oh, you ought to look at it. I just meant like...
It does say nub on it.
Yeah, he does.
This is a nub car. Oh, you don't have any motor nub stickers on it, do you?
No, I've
Actually, hold on.
For like 6 years.
I think there's some motor nub stickers inside. Let me go grab one. Alright guys, so boom, got him a sticker. I'm gonna let him put it on. Scott, you gotta put it on.
No, you don't.
Stickers are back in stock, so actually now my girlfriend does make them in-house. Got her a little vinyl cutter and all that kind of stuff. Link down in the description if you want to buy one, or you can go to motornubs.com and click on buy stickers. Scott, don't ruin it. It's taking a long time to earn the sticker. I've only known Scott for like
10 years.
No, dude, it's been longer than that. Guys, I did want to comment on that. It's been like a hot minute, probably 2 weeks since I've said anything about my car. Insert a clip right after this showing what my car was doing. It actually blew the head gasket. The Felpro head gasket didn't last long on 18 to 20 psi. So yeah, insert clip now.
Ain't nothing wrong here. Just let's wash the wastegate off. Yeah. God damn, it's hot as fuck. Steam clean the wastegate. Oh, we lost pressure. The cap closed. Damn.
Okay, so if you saw it volcanoing coolant out, that's because it blew the head gasket. Down at jmills tuning, he popped me on a Cometic head gasket, retorqued the ARP head stud, so it's ready to go for another tune. Hopefully next week. We were just waiting on it to get a little cooler. We had a hot spell come through. We're hoping with the cooler weather, a good head gasket, we can pump some more boost through it and make some more power. I don't know. Just at this point, I just want to drive the car. So I feel like a lot of people out there are just like, drive the car, video it. I should have videoed like as soon as I got it back out and like doing stuff, because I drove it around for like a week at least. That's the Honda way, right? Just drive it for one hard week, it break, and let it sit for months again.
I had to let mine sit because I ran out of gas.
Scott ran out of gas. Scott, it's crooked.
I know, I was upset.
It's okay. You're only going to get about 4 horsepower for the application, but
I'm happy it's on there though. It's a smaller sticker than the other one, I swear it is.
yeah, Kayla made these, so she was just messing around with different sizing.
Oh, that's cool, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Kayla.
Alright, now I got the unlucky motor nub sticker. I'm about to freaking blow a head gas.
No, you're good. You're good.
Got them electric locks.
Yep. We're gonna go for a little ride, but first we gotta go all the way. We gotta go down to Mexico, so that's gonna take a minute to get there because it's a long drive. So we'll be back when we get there. So we're just doing some regular driving, warm it up. It's actually pretty quiet for a turbo car on the inside. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So we're not in Mexico yet. We're almost there. I'm about to cross the border, but it's gotta be easy. No breaking those speed limits yet. Scott, how are you loving it?
I love it. The problem is it's running too good, so it's going to have a problem eventually.
Yeah, turbo Civic owner right here. It's going to break, and you know it's going to break. It's just when and where and how's it going to leave you stranded is the biggest question.
Yeah.
So, other than that though, what are you on PSI wise?
It's supposed to be 14, but it creeps to 16 right now. But I'm probably gonna take that spring out and go to 10.
Oh, go just
12.
back to lower boost for longevity.
Unless I blow it up in the next week, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, well, 10 psi should still be fun, just not nearly as much as 14 to 16. Power wise, what did it end up putting down?
294 at 90-degree weather.
294 in the heat with full exhaust. It does have what, 3-inch all the way to the back from the turbo, and
yeah, it goes 3-inch all the way back. No, there's a little muffler, but it's like one of the straight through ones.
So it does have some sort of muffler, because we can actually talk right now.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It's not like we're in my car. Hi.
No exhaust leaks.
No exhaust leaks. I don't hear any tipping or tacking or pss, 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 nothing like that. So good, solid, all around car. What year is this one?
It's 93.
93. So this is probably the best budget way to do it. You get you a Civic, you swap in a B series, you throw a little decent turbo kit on it. It started out as just a straight eBay turbo kit, but what's left of the original eBay turbo kit?
Actually a lot. Like the air core piping, the turbo I just switched out, which it still works, by the way, and it had 30,000 miles on it too, at least. And
that was a Godspeed, I believe, right?
Yeah, it was a good turbo. But I only ran it under 12 psi. But what else have I?
You changed the wastegate out, didn't you?
Yeah, the wastegate. The wastegate was apparently good. I think the creeping issue is actually the manifold, or that's what the tuner kept on telling me.
Yeah, it's got just a regular cast manifold on it.
And it's like so far to the right that it might not be letting out all of it
evenly. You still got the stock or the cheap wastegate, or I mean blow-off valve. Sorry.
Yeah, they're the same. There's nothing special about those.
You put on a Turbo Smart wastegate trying to fix the issue, but it's probably just that log manifold not being happy with that much power going through it.
That's probably exactly what it is. But
this is so quiet. This makes me want to have an exhaust on my Integra.
Wait till you hear the blow-off valve. It sounds so. I don't know why it changed. Sebastian was saying that he thinks it's the new turbo is like pushing more than the. I don't know.
Well, the new turbo's got to be doing more than the last one.
So it sounds like a whip, but I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, it doesn't sound like a squeak like it usually does.
Yeah. So you sold your D16, so no more D6, no more single cam love.
Yeah, no more VTEC.
You know, worst case scenario, if you had to do another motor, what would you do? Just go back with another B18 LS?
Yeah, unless I find a good deal on a C1, I'd probably do another LS.
A GSR, something like that.
Yeah, like you'd have to find a good deal.
Yeah.
I mean, they're pretty, like this one's, they say they can hold 350, so if you did like cylinder head work, you could actually pull that power out of these motors and they would hold them stock. You just can't be running the amount of boost I'm running in this motor.
Yeah, mine was getting close to that 350 plus range, but it was just a lot of boost.
Yeah,
a lot of boost, but it was in the heat too. I'm hoping in the since it's getting cold now, if we get like a sub 30-degree day, that we can put that thing on the dyno and break 400. That would be nice, but you just can't get too greedy sometimes. Oh, this low light right now is killing the camera. Can it focus on me? So we're about to pull onto Highway Mexico Express, and then we'll be right across the border. We'll be able to do some pulls. So I'll probably have to edit this and make it look faster than it is, just to, you know, because we don't want to drive really fast out on public roads. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's all editing and Photoshop. It's Photoshop.
just show the pull and then have it sitting at 40 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Let's
Let's speed check real quick. All right.
Yeah, we're still doing.
Yeah, it's, oh man, the border's like, yeah. Hold on. We gotta talk to the one of the guys here. Hold on.
All two stop signs.
All right, we're back. They said we're cool. Scott's a citizen, so that's good. He vouched for me too. Gosh, there's a lot of people out tonight coming into Mexico. Look at that sunset. The Mexico sunset. Yeah?
What the hell? My foot's gonna like fall off.
Which side of the road do you drive on down here? It's the same. It's the same.
same.
It's normal.
Isn't
Oh
it
my
like
gosh.
the perfect
Dude, there's so much traffic right now.
I'm gonna wait just so I have an open area.
It's fine. We've only been recording for like 15 minutes. We've made people wait this long just for a little pull.
Alright, next video.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
I guess I'll hit it right here. Oh, this third.
Oh, we can edit that out. I'll make it look like you didn't miss third.
I totally missed third. I think I like winged the fan.
Yeah. I do have to say though, this thing is so quiet for a turbo car. It runs good. It runs really good. That had to be at least 50 mile an hour. See? Oh my goodness. Dang, it's getting dark now. Oh, we can still see inside here pretty good. I could do a driver's watch. Actually, oh, I can get both of us in the frame. Yeah. You need suspension, dude.
Golly, that thing like went 2 feet right.
That's like trying to drive a wet noodle right now.
I was like, shit.
Oh, this is pretty good.
That's fun.
Dang. And see, right now, like, our other friends that have YouTube channels are gone, and they sold their cars. Can you do the?
I'm probably running lean as hell.
No, you think so? Hold on.
No, I didn't check.
I'm gonna watch your. This is for science. I'll watch the wideband. Okay. There was some high 11s there. So, James, if you're watching this, I don't know if that was a good air-fuel ratio or not, but if it's not, be like, Scott, stop what you're doing right now. Stop what you're doing. Call Scott.
So he's going to tell me, he's going to say, take that spring out of the wastegate right now.
Cut that thing back to 10 PSI.
Yeah, I already told him we're going to blow it up.
You haven't graduated to that many PSIs yet.
Where was the gauge at? What was he looking?
Your boost?
Yeah.
I don't know. We can do it. We can do an exploratory boost watch.
No, there's like 10 cars. There's like,
oh gosh, there's
like 50 police cars.
Yeah, I don't even know how to speak good Spanish if we get pulled over, so we should probably wait. Who's that? Who's that behind us? Objects in mirror may be closer than they appear. Oh, dude, you're good.
No, I'd slam into the car.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to go find another good private closed test track, and we'll be back. Alright. Woo! Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Getting heat in her now.
And smoke going to the Honda. Oh, that was it.
Yeah, boy. We're going home. Smoky?
Yeah, you just see him run the lights.
Oh.
No, fast road.